Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel where we bring life back to your kitchen with our exciting kitchen mat revamp ideas. Are you tired of your dull, worn out kitchen mat that doesn't match your vibrant personality or your stylish kitchen door decor? Look no further. Our channel is dedicated to transforming your kitchen mat into a fabulous and functional centerpiece. Join us on this creative journey as we explore various style techniques, innovative designs, and trendy patterns to revamp your kitchen mat. We will guide you step by step through each process, ensuring that you can easily follow along and achieve stunning results. Our experienced team of dye enthusiasts will share their expert tips, tricks, and hacks to breathe new life into your old, faded mat. Whether it's painting, stenciling, or applique, we will demonstrate the best techniques and materials to use, enabling you to unleash your inner artist and create a mat that reflects your unique style. Not only will we focus on aesthetics, but we will also delve into the practical aspects of kitchen mats. We will explore different mat materials, their pros and cons, and guide you in choosing the right one for your specific needs. Our channel will provide useful insights into mat maintenance, cleaning hacks, and tips to ensure your revamped kitchen mat stands the test of time. In addition to instructional videos, we will also feature inspiring before and after transformations, showcasing the incredible impact a revamped kitchen mat can have on your entire kitchen space. You will be amazed at how a simple mat makeover can completely elevate the ambience and tie together your kitchen's overall design. So, if you are ready, infuse creativity, style, and personality into your kitchen mat, hit the subscribe button and join our growing team community of kitchen and mat enthusiasts. Thanks for watching my video.